Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, every day, same link, same time, you guys will join. See, let us see. Maybe others also will join, maybe half an hour if I put on like 7:30 class. That also I will check. Okay, for the final time. See, and the one more thing is for the pricing related every day, suppose whether if you are practicing is not or not, maybe it depends on the flow where you are in now. So exactly what I'm trying to say is just every day have you look on the class what we have discussed in our session. Just open that video and you have to just listen that, because otherwise it leads to confusion if you at a time if you are seeing all videos. That is my suggestion from you Aryan. Okay, see on yesterday where we have stopped, we have, see now let us go to there, VK11, correct? What is the transaction code for that? VK11 is the transaction code for the maintenance of condition records. Okay. See here in this what we did for the base price and discounts. BR00 at the same time material, different discounts we have. Different discounts and different base price. What we did for those base price discounts and freight, we have maintained condition records. There is a no problem for that. But when coming to here, our tax pricing condition records, that is MWST. Okay, MWST. What happened in this MWST? In this MWST, control code. What is that? Control code and tax code. Okay, control code and tax code we need to maintain here. For this, we have to go out of this transaction and we have to create that. Then we have to maintain here. What are those transactions we had seen on yesterday? Z1 ID. Okay, Z1 ID is the transaction code for the creation of control code or chapter ID. At the same time, FTXP. FTXP is the transaction code for the creation of tax code. Okay. After creation of tax code, how we need to create and how we have to maintain those things. Obviously, we discussed. Once it is done, okay. Once it is done, next thing what I have to do. See, we have to go to this transaction codes OV K1, K2, K3, and K4. Just remember once FTXP you have maintained, then go to the transactions OV K1, K2, and K3. Okay, see this here in this also, if maintenance is done, like whatever the things we want to maintain, those things is done. Next go to our transaction code. What is that? FTXP is done. OV K1, K2, K3, K4. Those four steps, whatever we want to check, that is also done. Next thing what you have to do? Next thing just you have to check that our customer and material masters. Go to slash and mem0. Okay, maintain material. See, here in this sales org one, here in this sales org one tab we have a Tax code. What is that? Here the tax classifications. How it came? In OV K1, K2, K3, K4, we have maintained JO, CG, UG, SG, and IG. Those things we have to map here. Okay, 1 in the sense eligible for tax, fully tax. 0 in the sense not eligible for tax. Now here we have to maintain 1 only. 1 in the sense what? Full tax. Okay, full tax. For the see OVK3, OVK4 transaction is for this purpose only. For which purpose? Like for customer master maintenance, one transaction code, and material master maintenance, one transaction code. That's it. Okay, just you have to go and check that. You have to go and check that. Okay, next go to again customer master slash n ht03. Go to the customer. This is our customer. Hmm. Go to company code and sales or distribution channel, division. Go to sales data. See, in this building tab also go to here, maintain the. See, there is a connection. Once you have maintained OV K1, K2, K3, K4, what did it is mean? It is means that simply you want to maintain tax classification. Simply just I am defining that this customer or material is eligible for tax. That's why I am maintaining there. So if I came to here customer and material, I need to maintain here. That is the meaning. See, everything is done. Again go to our condition record tab. MWST. Go back. It's very lagging today screen. Okay. Maintain control code whatever we have created on yesterday. Country India. Tax classification of material. At the same time tax classification of customer. Amount I'm not maintaining. Just if I enter tax code automatically it will take because that's a percentage wise. How much percentage we have to create those things. Obviously we have maintained in our tax code on yesterday class. Click on enter. See, save this. Okay, come back. Go to JOCZ. Control code. Same. Here I don't want to maintain tax code as separately. Just whatever the tax code I have, only one tax code I want to maintaining here. Okay, I'm maintaining here. If you want, you guys can maintain different. Okay. See here it is also automatically giving the price. See what it is? Central say JOCZ. Okay, JOCZ. Like what does it means? Central tax. Okay, central tax. If we have to impose any central tax, okay, what is the portion of central government portion? It's a 3%. It means simply Simply central government portion is 3%. That is the exactly it means. Okay. That is the exactly it means what? Central government portion is the 3%. Okay. 3% that it is showing. That is the exactly it means. Okay. And next. Save this. Next. JOUZ. So this is the union government tax. Okay. Obviously union territory taxes, how they have to impose, suppose, see, simply why we are maintaining normal condition records, that is quite different when coming to the taxes in the sense exactly how much percentage we have to maintain, that exactly we want to know. But when coming to here also, for the tax wise also different for the central government, how they have to charge, at the same time state government, like that, for different taxes, how we have to, okay, how we have to, that is the exactly we want to know that. Okay, we want to know that how exactly it's going. Okay. Next thing is what? Control code. Tax classification of material, it's a one. Again, tax classification of material also, it is a one. Okay. And units of measure. Okay, so JOCZ. Next, JOIZ. Control code. See, I think one of our class person asked one question like how system should know if we have different taxes, different discounts or like that. Simply they have to know like this only. Okay, if you are maintaining condition, that's why I'm maintaining condition records. Okay, if I'm not maintaining condition records, system will not know. Okay, so that's why each and every condition type I am going here in condition records I am maintaining. Then only system should know. See, up to here, whatever the condition records we want to maintain for the different condition types, it is done. Let us go and check one sale order. Anything is left. Okay. Go to order type OR. Go to sold to party. Okay, again go to material, one quantity. See, all the condition type are now automatically came here. Okay, all the condition types are automatically came here. Why? Because I am not maintained anything manually. Each and everything for this I have maintained condition records. Based on that condition records, it is maintained. See here from starting onwards, like base price discounts. This is a freight BF00 MWST. Okay, and taxes. See this VPRS cost. Okay, if you remember in this VPRS cost, I am not maintained any condition record for this. Correct? In this VPRS record, I am not maintained any condition record for this. Next thing is why it automatically came, how it is appeared this price. See in V slash 08 like VPRS I have maintained in like in V slash 08. Okay, not in condition records. In pricing procedure level, I have maintained this cost. Okay, but this 1,000 rupees where it is copied, I mean like where it is exactly triggered this 1,000 rupees because I am not maintained any condition records. Correct? See here the thing is, it's the answer is it's on from material master. Where? It's from material master. Minute. Hmm. See in this material master, enter. In this accounting tab, what is that? Accounting tab, standard price. What is that? It is the standard price we have maintained. If you guys remember, while creation of material master, we have provided one. What is that? We have provided one standard price. Okay, standard price. Based on that standard price, the value is automatically triggered. Based on that standard price, the value is triggered. Okay. See, this is the thing how it will happen, like in pricing, how it is mapped. Let us go and check once each and every pricing fees. Okay, like how it will happen. Matlab, like a condition record maintenance is done at the same time, it's appeared up to that portion, it's a fine. Now what we need to think, just we have to think that calculation, pricing level calculation. Okay, go each and every step calculation we will see. Now we are going into that. Come back. See, one suggestion from here, from my side. See, while if you are maintaining condition record for base price, discounts, surcharges, whatever, just you guys start from a base price 1,000 rupees. Okay, 1,000 rupees. And the discount is also like the 20, 10 rupees, 30. But because for the calculation, see, for the first time, if you guys are creating, obviously it's a confusion to you because I have created so many types for so many batches that there is a not much difficulty to me. Okay, but when coming to your case, that is the thing I want to convey. Okay, it's might difficult to you. That's why I'm saying. And one more thing is, just you guys maintain minimal price and compare that. Okay, minimal price and compare that. That will help to you. Okay, that will help you. Just you have to compare that. Next thing is what you have to do. Just to go to the base price. How much it is a base price? It's a 50K, I said. Okay, 50K. From this 50K, discount in the sense what? Just I want to remove. Okay, 50,000 minus 1,000, 500, 500, 500. See guys, again I'm repeating. In real time, we have only one discount. 4, 5, 7, 32. Either 4, either 5, either 7 or either 32. Okay. See, other than that, not we will not provide All four. Okay, either. What is that? Either. Okay. Next thing is what? Next thing is discount. 50,000 minus here 5, 5, 10, 1500, 2,500. In this 1500 minus 2,500 they have reduced. Okay. From this amount, this much amount is reduced like that. Okay. One piece they have. This is the percentage wise. See guys, this is the percentage wise. See 1,500 this much of amount. Okay, see obviously this is a 500 percentage maybe we have given, that's why it is showing like that in condition record. Just percentage wise give to 2%. See now it's stabilized. Okay, out of habit what I did in condition record, I have maintained 500, not 500 percentage wise 1% 2% that like that na. If it is a value 500 rupees, now it's a clear. Okay, 1,000 minus, like just you guys go in calculator, you have to calculate this. See base price minus discount how much? 47,030 like that. Okay, after in this 50,000 after deduction of all these discounts, this is the gross price. Okay, in this gross price I'm adding freight charges. Freight in the sense delivery charges or packaging charges, whatever. See 10 rupees per kg I said. What is that? 10 rupees per kg. But here I'm getting 1,000 rupees. How much? How could it happen? See, for 1 kg it's a 10 rupees. That is the exact meaning of this freight condition record. But here I am getting 1,000 rupees. How? Just I will show you. Go to material. See in this environment, go to display material. See gross price it's a 100. What is that? Gross price it's a 100 kgs. Based on gross price it is getting there. Okay. In Metal Master gross price what? 100. In this 100 kg, 1 kg 10 rupees. What it means? It's a 1,000 rupees. Okay. Net price. Now net price in the sense what? See net price in the sense also like that. See this 48. Gross price plus freight. These two. Okay. 47,000 plus 1,000, 48,000. Correct? That is the meaning. Come down. See guys, here it is not in a enable mode. Okay. Disable mode. We are not able to change anything because of these taxes. Why? Because these are the taxes we are paying this to the government of India. These taxes we are paying it to the government of India. Correct? We are paying to whom? We are paying this to government of India. Okay? That is the thing we are doing. That is the thing we are give me a minute. We are giving government of India. That's why it is not, we are not able to change. At the same time, it's a 3%, 3%. Okay, 3% on net price. Okay, it is a 3% on 48,000 on 3%, 3%, 3% like that. Okay, everything it is getting different values. See, and one more thing I want to convey, that is that if you want to, while if you are calculating this, parallelly open v slash 08. Okay, parallelly open v slash 08. Okay. See on which price we have maintained on where, like that. Okay. See, these are the central taxes we have maintained like this. See total price and taxes. Again, I will go and check this once. Give me a minute. Correct. Okay. See how, like, if you are opening this and if you are checking, you will get one idea. Okay, like we have maintained net price, this is the, okay, we have calculating like that, it become calculation purpose, it become easy to you. Okay, just go here. Next, total price. Okay, this is the total price. In this net price I am adding this much of taxes. In this net price what I am doing, I am adding this much of taxes. Okay, come down. Next thing is what? See cost wise. Cost, like total price is 55,600. Cost in the sense actual 1,000 rupees is the cost. Okay, actual profit. Okay, if I am selling this product to the customer on 55,000 rupees, that is fine. But when coming to here, what will happen? Here, when coming to cost, it's 1,000 rupees only. Okay, how much is the like profit or like that? This is the profit. Okay, this is the profit margin like that. Okay, in this way we have to calculate each and everything. In this way we have to see. That's why I have maintained here profit margin, cost. Correct. See, in this way we have to maintain each and everything. That is the thing exactly. Price, how price will calculate, how price will calculate. This is the way. Okay, see, this is the entire steps we have to follow to determine of price into sale order. What are the steps in V slash 03? First of all, see, now I am showing, just have a look on once. Obviously we have discussed in past classes, just for your better understanding. V slash 03. Here first of all go and create condition tables. Okay, go and create condition tables in V slash 03. Okay, that is the first step. When coming to second step, access sequence. V slash 03, it's done. Next go to V slash 07. Okay, now V slash 07 I am getting. In this V slash 07 maintain access sequence and access fields, just how I showed on video, and V slash 06. Next. Okay, here go to standards and copy from here and create new ones. That is the V slash 06. Next, go to V slash 08. I already opened that. This is the V slash 08. Correct? Controls. In this V slash 08, just maintain as it is, how we have to maintain. Okay, how we want to maintain those things we have to maintain here in V slash 08 for each and everything. Next, after completion of this step, if you want, you have to create one sale order and try it how condition types are appeared or not, just, but you have to give manually. Okay, system will not take automatically, because if you are not maintaining condition record. Okay, then once it is done, next go to v slash and vk11. Okay, vk11. In this vk11, this is the t code for the maintenance of condition record. You have to maintain vk11 condition. Okay, this is done. Up to here pricing is done. Okay, see, in this way, how if you want to calculate the price of any products, you have to follow background all these steps, then only it will appear. Okay, then only it will appear. Next thing is what? Next we will discuss controls. Okay, condition type controls. Go to v slash 06. Some background controls are left to discuss further. See, this is the pricing is done now. Okay, for the entire pricing process is completed. For that, in pricing also we have subtopics that we will discuss, that is forward from upcoming classes, obviously we will discuss. But actual pricing, if you want to say actual price, the like that, this is the actual price. Okay, this is the actual price. That's the thing I am saying. Okay. Next thing is what? Go to here the whatever the condition, any condition type, just PR00. Okay. Next go to discounts also. Just select one discounts and one tax like that for comparison purpose. See, you guys are then after you have to open this your screen and just compare how the things will happen. Okay. MWST tax. And this is the price. Okay, what is this? This is the base price. Here each and every field just we have to make an analyze on that. This is the condition type. Okay, condition type in the sense obviously you should know for the base price if we have to take this as a PR00 or like that. For the discounts or charges, like for different fields it has a different, correct. Next thing is what? Condition class. What is this? This is the condition class. Next, for the prices, okay, like this is also depends, like for the prices or whatever, just click on here and it controls the type of the condition type, like a type of the condition type. Suppose this is for the base price, that's why it's a prices. Here it have maintained, okay, correct, it have maintained B. Suppose if we have discounts, okay, discounts, like if we have to change it to expense, like see I will show you those things also. This is for the base price, we have one condition class. Next, go to discounts. Here condition class is tax because this is the condition type regarding to the taxes. Okay. Next for the discounts it's a like that. Okay. It might vary from depends on one condition type to another condition, like on which thing. See, this is the base price. We have to calculating base price on what thing? On quantity based. On quantity based I am calculating base price. On quantity based I am calculating base price. That's why it is showing what? It is showing it's a quantity based. Okay. Next, if you are seeing the next condition type for the taxes, it is also percentage wise, correct? Taxes, how I am calculating? I am calculating taxes on percentage wise. Okay. Percentage wise, I am calculating taxes. That's why it is showing like that. Okay. Next thing is what? See, condition category also. Okay. Condition category also it might vary. Suppose in base price if you are not maintained, but when coming to here what will happen? Condition category is the tax for the tax condition type. Next for the material like that. Okay, see, depends from one condition type to another condition type. See, that is okay. Next thing is what we have to do. See, for the importance fields we have to check once now. Okay, like all are important but mostly which are in use, okay, which are in use, okay, those things we have to check it now. Maybe it will useful to you, like why we are maintaining, like exactly what it is. Okay, those things we have to know. First of all, here we have a one thing, what is that? Manual entries. See where it is, change which can be made, like here in this we have a manual entries, it says C. Okay, see in the sense what? Like whenever I'm maintaining condition records, okay, whenever I'm maintaining condition type, how it needs to trigger in sale order. Suppose if C has manual entry has priority. What is that? Manual entry has priority. That means what? Like if you want to change the price of condition type, okay, like what is that? If you want to change the price of condition type, then we have to maintain manual entry as blank or C. Okay. That means what? Suppose in discounts. Okay. If you guys are, if you think, suppose in discounts, what I did while maintaining of condition record, I have maintained there 500 instead of percentage wise. That is wrong. Okay. That wrong thing I need to correct. What I did for that? I did there I have changed 500 to 5%. Why? Because there I have a option to change. Okay? Because there I have a option to change. That's why I changed that. That is fine. Okay, like that. But when coming to taxes, see, do not possible to process manually. Okay, do not, we are not able to change. Why? Because there is a fixed thing we have to pay to the government of India. Fixed thing I want to change to government of India. Nothing needs to maintain. Okay, nothing needs to, we have to maintain separately. That is the fixed thing we have to pay to the government of India. Correct? See, that is the thing exactly. Okay, see, that is the use of this field. Next thing is what? See here, header condition we have. Okay, header condition simply that is for the, if you have to maintain pricing, okay, at header level. See guys, till now what I did, till now I have maintained pricing at what? Till now I have maintained the pricing at item level only. Okay, item level only. I'm not maintained any header level. Okay, header level. That's why I'm not able to check it here. Okay, I'm not able to check it here like that. Okay, and next thing is what? Header condition we are not able to check it here. Why? Because I am not maintaining the pricing at header level. At the same time, item condition, here item condition I have maintained here the item. By because I am maintaining item pricing. Okay, item pricing, that is the thing exactly it is showing. Okay, next thing is what we have to check now. Delete, what is that? Delete in the sense what? This piece control, I mean like suppose if I have maintained in sale order, okay, if this is maintained in my sale order, what I need to do? Just I have to delete or not from my sale order. Where is the control? This is the control. Okay, this is the control. If you have to go to our hours, come back. Okay, see, suppose if we have to, like, this is all about deletion of condition type in sale order. Okay, this is the standard you have to maintain like this only. Okay, next thing is what? Like amount or percentage. What is that? Amount or percentage. See, this is also like that. Suppose if we have to maintain, we need to update amount or percentage value in my sale order. Okay, we need to update amount or percentage value in my sale order. That's why it is checked here. See, everything like that. This pricing procedure, this is the standard. See, in upcoming sessions we have one class regarding to this. Okay, in pricing level also we have, that is the advanced version. Okay, that is the advanced version in pricing. And there we have to maintain this pricing procedure. Okay, there we have to maintain this pricing procedure. Okay, we have to attach those here. Why we are maintaining or like that? If I am explaining here, that is very confusion to you. Okay, don't do that. Okay, there only we have to discuss. At the same time, valid from valid to. Okay, valid from valid to in the sense what? Suppose if I am maintaining condition record. Okay, if I am maintaining any condition, because if you notice there, thereby we have a valid from and valid to dates, valid from and valid to dates, correct? See why? Because of this only. Okay, valid from and valid to dates. We have, that is the one of the option like that. Simply that means from which date to which date it is exactly matching. From which date to which date it is matching exactly. That is the exact meaning. Okay, that is the exact meaning. Okay. Next thing is what? See, do not delete. See, delete from database like that. Okay, not require that much. Next, in scales. Okay, in pricing level, we have a one more thing, that is scales. Okay, pricing scales. Those scales, while in like in 2 or 3 days, we will discuss those scales. In those scales also, we have to maintain like this. Okay, how what we have to do? Just we have to maintain. Okay. See, depending on the maintenance, what we have maintained in this condition type, just we have to maintain condition records. Then only it will trigger in our sale order. Okay. See, this much is required. These are the controls, important controls what we have. Okay, these are the controls, important controls we have. Based on this, the price, how the controls, I mean condition type controls will trigger. Okay, that is the things will happen. Okay, that is the things will happen. See, this is the today session. If you have any queries from today's session, please ask me.
Yeah, hi Sirisha. This pricing procedure is same in ECC and S4 HANA. Is there any changes?
Everything is same, mostly like few changes, like a few differences are there, those things we will discuss in that time, but process and everything, maintenance, everything is same, just field
O-
wise difference. Okay.
Okay, okay. So
Come.
in sales document, sales order, we can see what is the price and what are the discounts they have given to the user to the customer and everything in the sales order, right?
Yes, in sales order, item level conditions. Okay,
Mm.
if we have maintained at header level, we have to see at header level like.
Okay, okay.
Anyone have any queries? One more thing. Sorry, sir. Okay. Yeah, Srinivas sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, what you posted one, you only, na, I think screenshot.
Yes,
Yeah.
madam.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Mm.
you're asking that while creation of quotation or in that time, all these like net price, gross price things are not appeared. Correct. That is the
Mm,
your
mm.
question.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm,
That is
yes, yes.
why,
Got it.
because the reason is that in v/08. Okay, in v/08, what simply till now I'm not maintained any v/08 record. I'm not maintained. My screen is also appearing like that. Okay, my screen is also appearing like that only. Okay, but what we need to do, like when coming to quotation is quite different, sir, but you are asking about fields. In v/08, if you are maintaining, then only fields will appear. That is the fixed thing. Okay, that is the fixed thing. But in quotation we have a flexibility. What is that? Price is not appeared. Okay, price is not appeared, we have to maintain that. Okay, separately we have to maintain that. Okay, why? Because in quotation what we are doing, in quotation level we are simply we are Negotiations will happen. Okay, negotiations will happen. That's why in quotation level, price is not copied. That is a standard thing. Obviously, we have discussed. There is no problem about that. Okay, just you guys once you will once create v slash 0, then you will appear the fields there. Okay, I hope you clear.
Yes, madam. Yes, clear, madam.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, thank you. Then we will close our session. Otherwise, if you have any from anyone, stop it.
No, nothing. So the class will from 7:30 to 8:30, right?
Because just I want to see where is the problem exactly, why rest of the persons are not joining. Maybe let us check. Maybe for 7:30, if everyone will join, then we will continue. What can I do? Because this is your your course, you guys can show interest, but it's ulta. That's okay. Just let us check because these are the important pricing concepts, na?
Yeah.
Let us check. Maybe I don't know.
Uh, yeah, but I'm not sure about others. But in my case, I'm working in a rotational shift. Na? That's why when sometimes I'll be in morning shift, sometimes I'll be in night shift. So if I in night shift, it's morning too difficult to
Understood, understood.
continue.
Yes, sir. Yeah, obviously yesterday my situation is also like that. I need to I need to exactly attend some night shift. Okay. At the
Yeah,
same time, it's become morning 4 o'clock. Like that. Sometimes it might happen. We are not able to sleep also. Happen like sometimes it might.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
that's why I'm not taking a class on yesterday on
Yeah.
morning. Okay, no issues. See, let us see because what I am trying to say is for your understanding purpose only. Otherwise, just I have to explain out sketch and I will go. I have that option. No one can judge me. But just I am trying to say you guys will catch. Let us see. If it's work out, those who can catch, you go forward. Otherwise, they will be remain same as it is in such a place. It's up to themselves. I'm not judging anyone. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. How much possible we have to do? No issue. Okay. Okay, then
Yeah.
thanks to everyone. We will meet on tomorrow again. Okay, bye.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.